Morning. This is where I keep my scoop. It's one of those bicycle carriers, so I can actually keep 2 scoops here. Anyway, let's go detecting. Alright, we start off with a 69. Not the best one, but 68 out of the hole. A lot better. This lagoon, so clayey. We'll try and get hold of this so we can wash it off. Sounds a lot better now that it's out. It's round. Okay, funny one this, as it's not even giving me a reading on the Deus screen, but it's quite a loud one. Let's see. Still no reading on the screen. See it, something. Okay, that's funny. It's quite clear in my ears, but the Deus didn't bother because it's a bobby pin. Alright, mid-tone 46 for those of you that's interested on the Deus. Sounds very small. Worms coming out. It's going to be so elusive now. Let's see if we have it. We do. It's not that. I thought that was it. Sorry. Really? $43. Strong 43. Well, either this keeps on falling through the scoop, but we have it now. Are you sure? Okay. 43. I don't know. I didn't even dig for this. Was right on the surface. And what this is seems to be, I thought it was a pop rivet, but it's seems to be an earring. Okay, 89, 85, all over the place. Let's see. We can scoop this up. Okay, a little bit of water. I think I saw 95. Yeah, high tone. And it is much older 2 rand. That's been in there a while. Look at it. Okay, water's edge 81, not deep. Famous last words, no, not deep. Okay, we have it. Hoo hoo. Come on, Dickie. Yes. Come help us. It's so clay. So clay. Okay, what is 81? Whew. 1 coin so far today. And this is some type of valve top or something. I don't know if you can see that. A lot of jellyfish right there by my coil shadow, floating all over the place. Ouch. Okay, one of my favorite ones is a 5051. Not as clear as I want it to be, but we'll see when we get it out. Solid 51, that gives me hope of a roundness. Now it's a screaming 51. I see it. Oh. Please be good. Yes. Huh. It's a ring. 51. That's a strange reading. I'm looking. I don't know. There's a marking on it. And 51 is probably going to be stainless steel, but you know what they say, a ring is a ring is a ring. Okay, 46 didn't switch on, but we have some bling. You see? Ooh, Dion. I don't know. Obviously an earring. Broken off here. Maybe a pendant. But some ice on it. Okay, at least we're finding some stuff. Alright, this 77 is screaming. It's screaming. Ah, come on. Oh man. Oh, this is loud in my ears, of course. Let's see if we have it. All right, this is moving a bit. Come on. I have to flip that scoop quite quickly, otherwise you just keep chasing it like I'm now. And once you start chasing, yeah, you chase, brother. Oh, I see it. What? That's why. Oh man, look at this. It's a Garmin. My word. Look here. Mine's cracked and leaking. And look what I got. I don't know. This is beautiful. Shame, man. I don't know. Try and switch it on. But luckily I didn't kill this with the scoop. Shame. Alright. Here we go. Alright. So the Garmin switched on. I've got a Garmin charger. It appears to be German or Dutch. Anyway, that's a good sign. Just testing the hardness of the surface. As I said earlier, so many jellyfish around, and that hurts. Also, to see how hard the surface is and find there's a jellyfish there. Hi. Okay, I'm probably gonna get murdered, but I'm gonna try and help this jellyfish. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe, maybe they're just meant to die. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, it's going there. Okay. Oh. I'm gonna go for the 60. Sounds deep. Yep. Deep is good, I guess. Still there. Hi. Oh. Okay, let's see. It disappears. Give it another scoop. If you can see the hole. Yeah, a few things, yeah. Yeah, but like this one is disappearing on me. So I'm hoping amongst all the prawns. Oh! That's weird. Sorry guys, I started speaking to the gentleman. That was the target on that previous clip. It's just space junk. Anyway, I've got a long way back. Let's see what we can find. Bobby pin. Okay, nice repeatable target. Hope that's deep enough. Should be. Ah, shush. Now it's out. Amongst all the worms, I think I see it. Okay, it's round, it's black, it's ka-ching. That's our next coin. I think it's the second one only. This is just a R1. All right. 3 scoops in. It's sounding much better now. 77. Okay, hopefully I can get this now. Oh, not close to the water at the moment. This is weird. Okay. Running low on the GoPro. Alright, now disappeared. So that means we've disturbed the target. Alright. Wow. Alright, that's what it was. A mushroom sinker. Please like, subscribe, or I stop recording. I'm just joking. Thanks for watching, guys.